be teaching you how to make a basic and easy slime. The slime craze became a really big thing in 2017 and just got bigger from there. So I hope you enjoy my tutorial, and I'm going to get started. So the ingredients that you'll need to make this basic easy slime is as much glue as you like, some water, borax to make your solution, any type of food coloring, and then pigment to make your slime a different color. For my utensils, I will be using a regular bowl, a spatula, and a plastic bag. So, the first thing you need to do is take a regular bottle of water. I'll be using a mini one, but if you're using a big one, the measurements are going to be different. So I'm going to be using a teaspoon and using a teaspoon of borax and put it into the water to make my solution. After the borax is in there, you want to shake it up so that it gets incorporated with it. So after your solution is done, you want to pour your glue into the bowl. I'll just be using a bottle of glue, but you can use as much glue as you like. Okay. After your glue is poured, you want to mix up your glue so that you get rid of all the air bubbles, so that it's easier to make when you're mixing the solution. After it's all mixed together, you want to take your borax solution. And you want to be really careful while doing this, because if you add too much, it will get really flubbery and ew. So you want to add a little bit at a time, and then just mix. And by the way, the stronger your solution is, depending on how much borax that you add, is how fast your slime is going to make, or how it will turn out. But it will work either way. You just have to put it up. So I just keep adding until my slime isn't sticky anymore, and it's to my desired texture and everything. So once it isn't touching the bowl anymore, and it's okay to touch and it's not sticky anymore, which mine isn't there yet, but once it's there, you want to put it onto a level surface and just start kneading it. So a surface like your table or something, you just start kneading it until it's the way you want it and it's ready for your coloring and everything. So you want to take your slime onto a surface outside the bowl I mean, and if it's still sticky while it's on the table, you want to add more so that when you're mixing it, it's not like a pain and everything. So I'm just mixing it. And then when it comes to coloring, I'm going to be using two different types, which the food coloring, and then a basic eyeshadow pigment to just make it a little bit more pigmented while I'm doing it. So it's almost ready. It just needs to be a little bit more waxed. So while I'm just mixing, what color should I do? Any requests or anything? Lilac. Okay, so to make the lilac color, you're going to be taking, so my slime is all mixed and ready and everything. And to make lilac, you're going to take your blue and your red food coloring. You're going to drop 1 drop of red into your slime. Well, that was 2, but that's okay. And then 1 drop of blue, depending on how dark you want it to be. And then you just, I'll clean that up. And then you just want to do that. And then you want to mix it up until it's your desired purple, lilac, whatever. And you can also do the stretching motion, because it just incorporates it better. It makes it more of an identified color. So because I want to make mine more colored, like I said earlier, I'm going to be using some of this regular eyeshadow pigment, and I'm just going to be putting a little bit of it because I don't want it to make it too dark, and I'm just going to put it and then mix it in the same way I did with the food coloring. So once your slime is done, it will look a little bit like this. So slime is really fun and easy to make. Also, make sure you add the borax a little bit at a time so that it won't turn like flubber and all disgusting. And you want it to be soft and stretchy. So I hope you decide to make this slime and have fun doing it too.
All right, give her a hand. Very good.